What's up YouTube? So today we're just going to be installing a lip that I just bought the other day, finally came in. And this is the company right here, Magic Drift, magicdrift.com. Check them out on Facebook, their website. I'll also send you a link below down in the description. So if you guys are interested, just click on the link below and it will send you right there. We'll just be unpacking it right now. Let's see what it looks like. So here's the lip. Let's see what else is inside. There's this. It's a cup. Put your water in here. Not bad. Wasn't expecting all this. And looks like we got a license plate frame. Yep, it's kind of bent, but it'll do. Heat it up maybe. Looks like that's it. Make sure you put some gloves on, that way your hand don't get dirty. That way when you eat sticky rice, it's not all dirty, you know? Because rice is white and dirt's black. You don't want to be eating dirty rice, you know? So we got one rivet right here and one screw right here. After I rivet this in, I'm gonna take off the other two bolts that are sitting on top and rivet those in too. Alright, so just got the last rivet on there, and I didn't show you guys, but I put 3M tape under here. I don't want to drill into my bumper anymore. Well, yeah, here it is. Looks good. Needs some more heat so it flexes out, but other than that, pretty cool, pretty decent. Makes my car look lower. Alright, so now we're just going to be installing this. You know, start represent.